Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava, just in case you did not know. Please ignore my hair. If you have seen my YouTube shorts, you would know that's the video I posted before this one. You would know what this is all about. Like, we're trying to do an experiment, and I just hope it works because I look really funny right now. Anyways, so we're going to be doing a Valentine inspired look. Nothing too serious, just something very regular, but you know, just with a twist a little bit. So let's just get right into the video and do this thing. So as always, I've cleaned my face. I cleaned my face with my wipes first. I also cleaned my face with my micellar water. I used the Thea's Witch Hazel toner, and I am just going to go in with my foundation. But instead of going in with my foundation first, I wanted to try another technique, and this technique is basically me doing my contour and highlighting first before I apply my foundation. I have never done this before. I just hope this whole look comes out as it's supposed to. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products I use on the screen. I'm going to write their name and probably show their pictures also. Since I've cleaned my face and I've done everything, so let me just apply my face primer. If you have been on my channel recently, you would know that the face primer I use now is the TM Essentials Luminous Canvas Moisturizing Face Primer. The name is so long. I'm just going to be spreading this all around my face just to give us a very smooth canvas for our whole makeup look. The first concealer I'm going to be using is the Elegant Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. This shade is almost like my shade, so I am just going to use this first before I go in with a lighter concealer. Before I blend what's on my face, I'm going to contour. The product I'm going to be using to do my cream contour today is the Maybelline foundation in Mocha. I'm going to check. So I'm just going to apply everything here. Whenever I'm blending my concealer, I like to take it all the way up, just so that I can get this, you know, snatched look on my face. So I'm blending it all the way upwards. I put out a flyer on WhatsApp asking, or is it a flyer or just a question, asking people to ask me some questions that I'm going to be using in this video. So it's basically just this or that. I got a fair amount of questions, so I'm just going to be answering them here. After you're done blending your concealer, whatever is left on your concealer, you can just use it to like make a division here, just so that they see where your contour stopped. So this is it, and it's looking like I already have foundation on. I feel the whole trick to this is your blending game. If you are a blender, if your blending game is on point, I don't think this would give you a problem. So next, I'm going to be going in with a lighter foundation, with a lighter concealer. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Truffle, and I'm just going to be taking a little bit. Since the reason for this tutorial is because of Valentine, I want to say this, that if you are in a relationship, great for you, like that's really nice. But if you're not, if you are single or you are in a situationship, you know what I would advise you do? Bring out your makeup products, get a chair, sit in front of a mirror, and join me and do this makeup. Because girl, even though you are in a all-out complicated situationship, I mean, you deserve to look good. Yeah, you deserve to look good. Why not sit with me? Let's do this Valentine shit together. Instead of sitting down and thinking about what could have been, yeah, just let's do this. Let's just do this whole makeup look and take yourself out if you can. If you can't, just sit at home, watch a movie. See, it's not that serious. So the next thing we'll be doing is adding some powder contour to where we have already contoured. So to set my face, I'll be going in with my mixture. So when you're setting your face with your setting powder, you make sure that you come a little bit close to where you contoured. This way, to help with the idea of getting a slimmer nose. So I'm just going to go off camera to do my brows as always, and I'll be back. I'm back, and we're going to be doing the eyeshadow now. We're going to be doing something that is not so dramatic. Definitely it's going to be a nude eye. So let's go into these questions. The first question I got was fancy dinner or movie at home. Before I answer that, let me get my eyeshadow base. The eyeshadow base I'm using is the P. Louise base in Rumor 3. To answer that question, for me, I love movies a lot, but since it's Valentine we're talking about here, it's definitely going to be a fancy dinner because I also love good food and I love nice restaurants. Which would you prefer? On a regular day, it's definitely going to be a movie at home because I don't really like stress. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to be going in with from the Zaron Smoky eyeshadow palette in Smudged, and I'm going to be using this brown shade here in Coffee. I'm going to just be applying that on my crease. The second question I got was teddy bear or jewelry. Anybody that knows me knows that I am an accessory. Oh Lord, I love accessories, so it's definitely going to be jewelry, please. I can't. We could get the teddy bear some other time. To blend this eyeshadow out, I'm going to be going in with, still from the same palette, Autumn. Blend out the edges of this eyeshadow. To deepen my crease a little bit, I'm going to be going in with black actually, just to deepen it a bit. Using the P. Louise base, I'm going to be cutting my crease a little bit. After cutting my crease, I'm just going to blend it in. And then using that first brown shade that's from the same palette, the Coffee dark brown, I'm just going to be applying that color at the outer V of my eye. For my lip color, I think I'm going to be going with a powder shade just because I need something really, really light. From the Flawless IV palette, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, and that is Ivory. I'm still going to go in with the brown shade from earlier just to blend this out. This is what we are looking like right now. So let's go over to the questions. The third question I got was red wine or rosé. Well, it's Valentine, so red wine. Red wine it is. Or should we go with rosé? Whichever works for me. Rosé, red wine. I'm down for any drinking at all. As long as it's good, I'm drinking that shit. For eyeliner, as always, I'm going in with the Mabruk eyeliner. And we're going to make a little wing. I fixed my lash off camera, and for extra effect, I'm going to be applying a liner on my crease. For my waterline, I'll be going in with the Mabruk pencil in black. Fourth question I got was red roses or white roses. Please, it's red roses, okay? Red roses every day, all year round. Red roses every time. So for my lips, I'll be going in with red lip stain. But first, I'll be lining with the Zaron lip pencil in, I can't say this name now, plum, in plum. So the lip stain I'll be going in with is the Nuban Beauty lip stain in Flame. What's Valentine without a red lipstick? To dust off my setting powder, I'll be going in with the Milani Anti-Shine powder in the shade Deep. So our next question is milk chocolate or dark chocolate. Guys, what is chocolate if it's not dark, right? So definitely dark chocolate. Next question is color eyeshadow or wing liner. Guys, I think I'm going to be going with wing liner because on a normal day, honestly, I wouldn't wear colored eyeshadow on a normal day. Not that I do not wear colored eyeshadow, but then I always go with a wing liner. So that's where you get my answer from. Wing liner it is. Next is my bronzer in CoverGirl Ebony, just to bring back some, warmth. Next question is red or pink. Red or pink? Who asked this question? Well, I'm going to answer this question for those that do not know. My favorite color is red, so it's definitely red. Definitely red. What is pink? Pink is who? I'm just going to be adding my blush now. The next question is diamonds or pearls. Please, I'm all out. Diamonds. Give me the diamonds. Like, to finish up this look, I'm going in with the Nuban Beauty Seal It Makeup Fixing Spray. Yeah. Like, I'm in shock. If you want to see how I did this, you can check the video before this one. That's my YouTube short. check it and you will see how I achieved this. Guys, can you see this? Like, are you guys seeing the curves? I am amazed at how this came out. Guys, this is just ordinary socks, so ordinary socks, so I did this to my hair. Hey God, wow. Guys, this is mad. I'm in shock, and this is the first time I'm doing this thing. This is the first time I'm doing this thing, so imagine my shock. So I'm just going to be using my hand to run through them, to just open them a bit, just because I want to maintain the waves. I could see what's happening here. I have wavy hair, and this is my hair. I found a new look. This is nice and definitely date worthy. Guys, what you guys see? I'm using this tail comb to just scatter it a little bit because I feel they are too arranged. Who is going to try this? Because I want it to look fuller. So let me just go and change and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final look and I think I'm liking it. I'm liking my hair. If my hair were longer or if it was a weave, I bet this hair would have been extremely more gorgeous. But with this, I think I'm ready to go on whatever dates. I love this hair. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Get ready with me to do nothing. Let me know if you like this whole look, from the hair to the makeup to my statement neck piece. I enjoyed creating this video, so please give us a like. Drop a like, it will help a lot. Let me know if you have any other content you want me to put up on this channel. Drop it in the comment section. Drop a comment about this look, about Valentine's. Let me know if you would be recreating this look, because I would love to see it. If you'll be going out on a date on Valentine's Day, I'd like to know. Come and give me small gist. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe to this channel. I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video. Bye and have a nice time on Valentine's Day. See you guys. Bye.